In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pixel-perfect icons in Figma. First, open your browser and head to figma.com. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in so you can access all features. We'll be using the Figma community to grab a high-quality, pixel-perfect icon set, which is a great way to start with best practices baked in. Pixel-perfect simply means every line and shape sits cleanly on the pixel grid, so icons look crisp at 1x without fuzzy edges. Once you're in Figma, click on Community. You'll find this in the main navigation inside the app or on the website. The community is where designers share files, templates, and resources you can duplicate into your own workspace. In the search bar, type Pixel Perfect Icon. This will surface icon packs designed with proper grids and stroke rules. You can use filters to narrow results if needed. When browsing, look for sets that mention a consistent grid size like 24 by 24 or 16 by 16, even stroke widths, and alignment to the pixel grid. Also, glance at the license info on the file page to make sure you're good to use it in your project. Select a template that matches your style and click through to the file page. Take a moment to preview the icons. If the description mentions guidelines for stroke weights and corner radii, that's a good sign the set was built precisely. Click Open in Figma. This will duplicate the file into your drafts so you can work with it. If you're working in the desktop app, it will open there automatically. Inside the file, select the icon you want. Make sure you're grabbing the intended size variant like the 24px version. Copy it with Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. If the set uses strokes, keep an eye on stroke width values being whole numbers like 1 or 2 to maintain sharpness. Now switch to your project file. Ideally, your icon frame should match the icon's grid size. So if the icon is 24 by 24, create or use a 24 by 24 frame. This keeps spacing and alignment consistent across your design system. Paste the icon into your project with Ctrl+V or Command+V. Turn on pixel snapping and, if needed, nudge the icon with your arrow keys to land it on whole pixel coordinates. If anything looks blurry, check that X and Y positions are whole numbers and that strokes are centered and set to whole values. You can also enable Pixel Preview to verify sharpness. Finally, when exporting, use SVG for vectors or PNG at 1x and 2x to keep everything crisp.